Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install remote PC in your MacBook so we can access it. First of all, you need to go to a browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You need to click on it. Once it's open, type in attended.remotepc.com and hit enter. And once this is opened, scroll down from here and click on download host under Mac. Once it's downloaded, click on this downloads button and then remote PC attended. Now you can close this browser and then double click on remote PC attended. Click on open and wait for it to completely open. Once it's open, you will see this kind of interface. You need to close this one and minimize this one and then click on open system settings. Once this opens, please click on this checkbox. This will ask you for your password. Please enter the password that you put when you put your MacBook on and then click this general and then privacy and security again, and then you can click this green icon here and then click on accessibility and input a password again if it asks you to, and then close this, and from down here open remote PC and share this code with us and we'll be able to connect with you.